the next day.
Good morning, everybody. This is Dave with Cruising to Lose Weight, and it is Wednesday, April 26, 2023, and if you can tell, we are anchored now just outside of Belize City, and it's about coming up on 7 o'clock in the morning, and this is a tendered port where you need to take a little tender boat. It's a 5-mile distance to go to get to Belize, because the shoreline along Belize is very shallow and it doesn't accommodate a ship. So today's a tendered port. Going in, it's about a half-hour ride in the smaller boat, so the seas don't look that bad. It's a beautiful day out there. It's right now in the 80s, and we're going to get off the ship there in a little bit just to explore the port, and then we'll probably get back on again. See the statistics for yesterday. We weighed in this morning at 297.1. It's a gain of 1 pound. And overall for the cruise, we're sitting at 8.9 pounds. And the blood pressure reading was 138/88 with a pulse of 81. Got a good night of sleep last night. Sleep gave us 8 hours and 42 minutes, and the sleep app gave us a rating of 97. Had a real good day on walking. Our step count got up to 6,400 even, so a real good day. And we should have just about as much going around today as also. Maybe we'll have to push it a little bit, because we're only going to go into port, and we may end up walking a little bit more. But so yeah, that's going to do it for this update on Wednesday the 26th of April, and this is day 5. So appreciate you coming along this morning, and until tomorrow, just have a good one. Adios.